I have with me today the Apple iPad 10th generation. It has 256 gigabytes of memory. It is Wi-Fi and cellular. Now this is the option, that way you can use a SIM card and stuff like that. There are some that are available without this, so you won't be able to text and do any of that stuff without it. That's why I bought this one. But it's in silver, and there were some issues that people were noting about the iPad 10th generation with the Apple Pencil, Apple Magic Pencil, or however you call it. This is not the iPad Air, and it's not the iPad Pro. This is the iPad 10th generation. So we're gonna box it right now, so let's go. All right, we're gonna box it now. As you can see, Apple logo, iPad, your serial number and all that model number crap will be on the bottom. We're not gonna show it. I actually already opened this earlier, but there will be a protective screen covering the iPad. Out. So yeah, as you can see, it reminds me of the iPhone 4, how it's like blocky. And I noticed this also like this on the iPhone 13s, the MacBook M2s, because the MacBook M1 had curve, but it seems like now the new design is like blocky curve, like curve this way, like on the corners like that, but blocky like right there. Oh, and the side with the volume buttons right here, you're gonna use that key thing that comes with it, and that's where this will pop out and you will get your SIM card. The other side, nothing here. You got your charger outlet right there. USB type C. So they got rid of the lightning stuff that the old ones use. I also noticed the new MacBooks with that MacBook M1 is like that as well. And your lock button on the top. Some people said that this also is used for the Touch ID. And what's unique right here is that, okay, the iPad when it's on is gonna be like this normally, but right here, if you look very closely, you can see the camera for the front facing camera. So you can use this to FaceTime like this and stuff like that. And if we turn it over, I'm not going to show the serial number, but it's silver and Apple logo. You got your camera right here, and I think that's a microphone. So I will power it on to show you what it looks like, but not yet. What else is in the box? Well, designed by Apple, you already know the drill. They give you a quick manual showing you like all the things, what to do and stuff like that, how to use that iPad for the first time. Very user friendly. You got your, I don't know if that's a warranty or what. And then this little key thing will pop out. You get this, find this side with the volume, and you're gonna hit that in there. SIM card tray thing will pop out and you put your SIM card in. That's only for the cellular and Wi-Fi versions only. All right. They did finally give us a charging block. I know when I got my iPhone 13, I didn't get a charging block. And these are the new cables. So this is USB type Cs. So this can connect to an M1 Mac with no problems and charge your iPad with no problems. So, see? And the other end's the same, so you no longer have to deal with lightning ports or any of that. And that's all for the unboxing. Now I will measure the iPad for you in both the US system and the metric system. All right, so how wide is it? It is 7 inches wide or 18 centimeters wide. And the length would be almost 10 inches or 25 centimeters. And it diagonal is gonna be like 11.5 inches and almost 30 centimeters diagonal. But Apple suggests for this iPad specifically, you should get the 10.9-inch screen protector. In metric, that would be 27.6 centimeters. Your standard Apple startup, but I'm not gonna do all the setup things with iCloud and stuff or show it in this video. I'll just show it what it looks like when it's done. That's your default screensaver. I haven't changed anything. Now we're gonna unlock. Okay, I moved to a separate page. That because I have all my widgets and stuff set up and I don't want that online. But as you can see, all the apps at the bottom, you got your menus, and you pull that down, just like the iPhone. You got your whole control center and stuff like that. If you know how to use an iPhone, you know how to use an iPad. All right, that's pretty much it. It's in silver, you see right here. This is the iPad 10th generation. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.